Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Today's deal of the day will be on the AUDJPY, and allow me to explain to you my reasons behind choosing this setup. First of all, right here we can notice that the AUDJPY has actually made an actual bullish breakout from that structure right here, exactly right here. Let me just be clear, exactly right there at 92.706. And right now on the daily candle, we had right here a strong bullish engulfing candle, which has actually made the actual bullish breakout from that level of a real resistance, as we can see. Now, look at the bullish breakout candle. As you can see right here, this is the nearest wick to that bullish candle. Usually what will going to happen is the market is going to continue the fall to reach the nearest wick to the bullish breakout candle, and from there the market is going to continue the rise. Now, just to confirm that this is a trusted entry, all we need to do is look at the nearest support to that bullish breakout candle. And by the way, that is what we call the magic, not the magic, sorry, this is the 20 pips a day strategy, which I'm actually offering for free on my channel for scalping. So the rules are simple. You will look at the bullish engulfing candle and you will draw a line at the opening hours of the candle and another line here at the closing hour of the candle, or the closing price of the candle. Now scroll to the left side and you have to place your order at the nearest support to that bullish breakout candle. Check this out. Right there, we are having right here, exactly right here, the nearest support to that bullish breakout candle. You might tell me, but Stella, right here is the nearest support. No, the answer is no. This is actually below the line. Check this out. It is below the line. We want the nearest support on the exact zone right here of the opening and the closing of the candle. Right there exactly, we can see the nearest support to that price. That being said, I believe it's going to be a good idea to start buying the AUDJPY exactly after it fall for another 27 pips. So let me just delete the other lines, and if we do that, guys, we can keep the trade running till it hit the nearest resistance right here at 93.801. Let me now switch back to the 4-hour time frame. Now that's going to be, of course, our take profit level right there, which means we will actually be expecting to make 114 pips of profit. But just another confirmation that this signal is valid. Let's just make sure that we're having here a resistance trend line and draw the resistance trend line all the way like this. Check this out. So right here we had a real level of the resistance trend line, then a fake breakout, then again another fake breakout, and right here we can see that the market has indeed respected again the same level of the resistance trend line, and we had another 1 and 2 fake breakouts from that level. Then lately we had right here the real level of a resistance trend line. Then lately we can see right here that the market has already made a reversal right here, which means this is actually a support trend line number 1, which means, guys, we can start buying this pair right on the second attempt of the support trend line. And the stop loss has got to be placed, let me just make sure, the stop loss has got to be placed right there at below the nearest support right here at 92.025, because we are fully relying on that level of a previous resistance and that level of a previous support resistance trend line. Let me just confirm it again by check here the support trend line as well. And check this out, fantastic, that's actually great. We're having here a support trend line, and it lately became another support trend line. So there is a possibility for the market to reach that level, and from that point it's gonna continue the rise. So that being said, guys, our stop loss is gonna be, let me just make sure it's a little bit less than that. Yeah, 55 pips of a stop loss is gonna be fine against 114 pips of take profit. And there goes your deal of the day. And by the way, guys, another reminder to join the free group of Telegram to receive any updates or notifications about this signal, because if I notice that this signal is going in the wrong way, I will send you here a signal, or actually an update to close the signal immediately before it hit the stop loss. This will help you to reduce the losses, and you will actually be part of Xtreme Trader team. Here is an example of the previous deal where I said that the signal has just been activated and you can actually keep it running. The market has reached the broken resistance and so on. And here another update about the weekly signal where I mentioned that the gold signal has been activated, but also due to the ISM PMI news, highly advised to not open the trade. So again, be sure to join this group to be part of Xtreme Trader team, and you will receive any updates about this signal. And again, I will inform everyone when the signal is activated, and I will let you know if you should hold your positions or not. So again, just because this signal coming from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it will be 100% in profit. There is a chance for it to be in fail and actually to lose actually. So therefore, please make sure that every trade you're opening is an investment. So make sure that you have been prepared for the losses, and make sure that the stop loss is an amount that you can actually afford. So until then guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.